All right, let's get right into it. If you're a part of Gen Z, you've probably heard the word investing thrown around, maybe on TikTok or from that one friend who won't stop talking about their portfolio. It can sound complicated, like something reserved for old guys in suits on Wall Street. But here's the reality. Investing is the single most powerful tool you have to build real wealth. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You don't need a ton of money. You don't need a finance degree. You definitely don't need to be staring at confusing charts all day. The secret sauce is something called compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, it picks up more snow, and gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's where being young is your ultimate superpower. Someone starting at 20 has a massive advantage over someone starting at 40, even with less money. Every dollar you invest today is like planting a tiny seed that can grow into a massive money tree. So how do you actually make money from stocks? One of the best ways, especially for beginners, is through something called dividends. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. You are now a part owner. When that company makes a profit, it has a choice. It can reinvest the money back into the business, or it can share some of that profit with its owners. That shared profit is a dividend, the company giving you a cut. Think of it like owning a slice of an apartment building. Every quarter, after the bills are paid, the building manager sends you a check for your share of rent. The money shows up in your bank account with no extra work. Dividends from stocks work the same way. Most brokerages offer a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. Turn it on, and dividends automatically buy more shares of the same stock. Your shares pay dividends. Those dividends buy more shares. More shares pay bigger dividends next time. It's a passive way to speed up portfolio growth. Okay, so you understand why dividends are awesome, but which companies should you actually look at? Here are 5 solid, beginner-friendly dividend stocks that have stood the test of time. First up is the Coca-Cola Company. You know them, you've probably had their products. Coke, Sprite, Dasani. This is a classic example of a dividend king. Increased dividends for over 50 consecutive years. Next on the list is Microsoft. Windows and Office software, Xbox gaming, Azure cloud computing, multiple massive income streams. Third, we have Johnson & Johnson, Band-Aids, Tylenol, medical devices, pharmaceuticals. Fourth is Realty Income. It's a real estate investment trust. Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General. They call themselves the monthly dividend company. They pay dividends every month. Finally, for instant diversification, I recommend the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This isn't a single stock, but it's too important to leave out. VOO holds the 500 largest US companies, including the ones mentioned. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the entire US economy to grow over time. Historically, a very, very good bet. Feeling motivated? Good. Now let's turn that motivation into action with a simple, step-by-step game plan. First things first, you need to open a brokerage account. Go with a major, reputable platform like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab. Once your account is open and you've linked your bank, it's time to add money. Start small and be consistent. You don't need thousands. Start with something comfortable. Set up an automatic transfer. Schedule a transfer from checking to brokerage every week or every month. This removes emotion and makes investing automatic. Buy your first stock or ETF. For most beginners, buy an S&P 500 ETF like VOO. It gives instant diversification and lowers risk. Don't try to time the market, just buy. This regular buying strategy is dollar cost averaging. Be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Your account will go up and down. That's normal. Don't panic sell on dips. See dips as discounts, opportunities to buy. Stick to your plan and let compound interest do the work. You are playing the long game. Take control of your financial future today. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Trust me.